YouTubers? Hey YouTubers, Hypershatic here. Today I got very something in the mail. The Wind Morpher, Power Rangers Ninja Storm, or the Shinobi Changer from Ninpu Sentai Hurricane. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a H for Hurricane. One comes with one plate, tiger one, lion. Why the red one? Because Red Rangers are my favourite. Yeah, I got it in the mail. So I have two morphers now. My SPD one and my Wind Morpher. I'll just switch it on for you. Confirmation noise. Press this button. Press that button right there for morph and spin the disc. Yeah, I had this when I was a kid, when Ninja Storm was out. Then I got the Dino Morpher. That was great. And I don't know which morpher to get next. So if you guys give me any suggestions, put them in the comments below. Well, that's it. Guys, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And this is Hypershatic, speeding off, catching the wind, split the sound, because I'm the quickest hedgehog around. See you guys.